The 2026 Toyota Tacoma Camper Motorhome presents a compelling blend of rugged pickup DNA and thoughtful camper integration, appealing to adventure seekers who want comfort without sacrificing off-road confidence. Built on the latest Tacoma platform, it feels modern, refined, and purpose-driven from the first glance. Its exterior design balances toughness and practicality, with clean body lines, protective cladding, and a camper module that looks factory-integrated rather than added as an afterthought. The proportions feel right, giving it a solid stance while remaining manageable on narrow roads and trails. Under the hood, the 2026 Tacoma Camper benefits from updated powertrain options that prioritize torque and efficiency. Whether equipped with a turbocharged gasoline engine or a hybrid variant, it delivers steady pulling power and smooth acceleration, even when fully loaded for long trips. On the road, the driving experience is surprisingly composed for a camper motorhome of this size. The suspension is tuned to handle extra weight without feeling overly stiff, making highway cruising comfortable and predictable over long distances. Off-road capability remains a standout strength. With available four-wheel drive, advanced traction systems, and generous ground clearance, the Tacoma Camper can confidently reach remote campsites that larger motorhomes simply cannot access. The camper interior is intelligently designed to maximize space. Every inch feels purposeful, from cleverly placed storage compartments to fold-away features that allow the living area to transform easily from day-to-night use. Sleeping accommodations are practical and comfortable, typically featuring a convertible bed or pop-up sleeping area that provides enough room for two adults. The mattress quality and ventilation make overnight stays restful, even in varying climates. The kitchenette is compact yet functional, offering essentials such as a sink, portable or built-in stove, and refrigeration. It supports simple meal preparation, encouraging outdoor cooking while still providing convenience when weather conditions change. A small dining or lounge area enhances livability, giving occupants a place to relax, eat, or work. Large windows and optional skylights help the space feel open and connected to the outdoors. Modern technology plays an important role in the 2026 model. Touchscreen controls, USB charging ports, and optional solar panels improve convenience and allow for off-grid camping without constant reliance on external power sources. Climate control within the camper is well thought out, with efficient insulation and optional heating and cooling systems. This ensures comfort during cold nights or hot summer days, expanding the range of environments where the Tacoma Camper can be used. Safety remains a priority, with Toyota's latest driver assistance features included. Systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane support, and collision mitigation contribute to peace of mind on long highway journeys. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a vehicle of this type, especially with hybrid options available. This helps reduce running costs and extends driving range between fuel stops, a key benefit for remote travel. Storage solutions are abundant, both inside the camper and in the truck bed areas not occupied by the living module. Gear, tools, and outdoor equipment can be carried without cluttering the living space. Build quality feels solid and durable, reflecting Toyota's reputation for reliability. Materials are chosen for longevity and ease of cleaning, which is especially important for outdoor-focused use. The Tacoma Camper's size is one of its biggest advantages. It fits easily into standard parking spaces and can be used as a daily driver when not on camping trips, unlike larger motorhomes. Customization options allow buyers to tailor the camper to their needs, whether prioritizing off-road gear, extended living comfort, or lightweight efficiency. This flexibility makes it appealing to a wide range of users. In terms of value, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma Camper Motorhome positions itself competitively. It may not be the cheapest option, but the balance of capability, comfort, and reliability justifies the investment. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma Camper Motorhome is an excellent choice for those who want freedom, versatility, and adventure in a compact yet capable package. It successfully bridges the gap between everyday pickup and true go-anywhere camper.